at the CIS. We had a meeting on Puerto Rico. Please introduce yourself and your business. You're a Puerto Rican pharmaceutical business owner.
Yes, I'm Elizabeth Plaza, and I founded and I'm the president of Pharma-Bio. We provide services to the whole pharmaceutical and medical device industry on the island and abroad.
And I was just in Barcelona at the Pfizer's plant. I saw ABV. They're operational. Pharmaceutical industry in Puerto Rico is one of the best in the world because of the talent. Why is it so critical that we get the pharmaceutical industry like Pfizer and everybody else operating?
Because we supply products, important products, okay, to U.S. and to the whole world. And if the pharmaceutical industry cannot restart operations like immediately, we may face shortage of products on the market, shortage of life-saving products.
And you were saying that the FDA Administrator Scott Gottlieb was making this known to the industry?
Communicating the importance of supporting the pharmaceutical industry in Puerto Rico to ensure our products get on the market on time and avoid any shortage, any potential shortage.
So Pfizer CEO Ian Reed should be in person in Puerto Rico to take leadership of his operations, but also lead by example for everybody else. As you know, Ian Reed's parents were born in Mozambique in Africa, so he understands this. Is this something you'd like to see from Mr. Reed?
We would appreciate that. I think we need to bring the leadership of the pharmaceutical industry down to Puerto Rico first to see what's happening there, and secondly to help us, support whatever the industry is in need. There's a lot of employees who are out, who are not working, so we need people to get back to the works. But in order to do that, the main issue the pharmaceutical industry, the medical device industry, and the whole industry, the whole manufacturing industry in Puerto Rico is facing its lack of energy, its lack of power. And we are depending on generators. And consistency of fuel supply is critical to maintain the... One thing is restarting operations. The other thing is being able to consistently keep operating.
Unlike Anderson Cooper on CNN and the reports I've been seeing from mainland press, mainstream mainland press, the first thing I noticed is factories were working when I was looking out the window. Cars were on the Sunday, a week after, a few days after people were already coming back to work. So factories are working. The Pfizer company was working. I saw AbbVie was working. So the companies are working, the factories, people are coming back to work. So Puerto Rico's open for business. We just need to make sure that everybody knows that it's not on the ground, and we need our CEOs, global CEOs, to do what they're supposed to do and be where they're supposed to be.
Supporting us, absolutely.
And you'll be demanding, and every Puerto Rican, and Rito Moreno will demand that Ian Reed shows up to Puerto Rico.
What I know is that after this tragic event, Puerto Rico will come out much more stronger.
Oh yeah.
And we need the support of our CEOs to help us get to that point,
Puerto Rico is not only America, it's great America. You have the highest per capita people serving their U.S. military, they're patriotic. I've never met a more skilled force of people. Puerto Ricans get it done, they're bilingual, they're highly educated. This is a place, if you're going to move from Brazil or whatever, or Miami or Spain, you should be in Puerto Rico.
Totally in agreement.
And if you can do this after a hurricane, my God, can you imagine if everything worked?
It will be the island of enchantment again.
And as your husband said before, this was Hurricane Prepa.
This was Hurricane Prepa, but before Hurricane Prepa, we had Hurricane 936, and we need that.
We need the 936.
We need that back in Puerto Rico.
So you'll be trying House Ways and Means, Mr. Brady, Paul Ryan should be doing this now, and Treasury Secretary Stephen Mnuchin. 936.
We need to get that back to Puerto Rico so we can back on track.
And that's only a few paragraphs in our tax reform bill that's already there. So we can do it now.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.